2003, Go Skateboarding Day was founded in Southern California by the International Association of Skateboard Companies to promote skateboarding throughout the world. It is celebrated annually on June 21st to define skateboarding as a rebellious, creative celebration of independence it continues to be. According to the market research firm American Sports Data, the number of skateboarders worldwide increased more than 60% between 1999 and 2002, from about 7.8 million to about 12.5 million. Skateboarding was popularized by many films in the 80s, and the one that stands out to me is the cult classic Thrashin', which stars Josh Brolin. Here's a trailer of that film. If you haven't seen it, seriously, that and Gleaming the Cube, if you haven't heard of that, it's Christian Slater. But Thrashin', I mean, watch this trailer. It'll give you everything you need to know about surf culture back in the 80s.